Everyone, Blacklet 8001 here. Today is December 28th, 2017. Getting ready to wrap up 2017. We have quite a bit of snow here, and about a foot or so snow, and it's still darn cold. Hasn't reached above -10 in the past like 3 days. And this truck here hasn't been driven or uncovered. And so my main purpose of today is to start it up. And we'll see how it goes. Might shovel a bit today too. There's a bit of snow on the ground in the driveway still. So let's go out here. It's freaking cold, by the way. So, I would use the remote, but actually that's a good idea. I should use the remote. Well, that worked. I sound a little sluggish. Alright, let's see what we can do. I'm not going to run it for very long, just give it 30 seconds, see if it'll start. Let's see. Oh yeah. It took quite a bit to start. There you go. Give it about 30 seconds. Alright. That's good enough. It's supposed to go out tomorrow, so I just want to make sure that it's going to light up tomorrow. And we need it to. So, thank you for watching. And have yourself a happy new year. And that's all.